Assalamualaikum, welcome to All Solution One channel, and as we promised earlier, you will get all the solution in this channel. So here we are with 9th class chemistry practicals experiment number 3A according to the Board of Secondary Education Karachi. The object of this experiment is to find out the melting point of candle wax. As you know, candle wax is an impure substance, so it will not have any sharp or specific melting point. Rather than its melting point lies between the range of 46 degrees centigrade to 68 degrees centigrade, or depends upon the quality of wax. First, you have to know what is the melting point. The melting point is the temperature at which a solid becomes a liquid at standard atmospheric pressure, or the melting point of the solid is the temperature at which it changes state from the solid to liquid. So, for this experiment, we will use the following apparatus, that is thermometer, beaker, test tube, rubber band, stirrer, tripod stand, wire gauze, sprit lamp or Bunsen bundle. Chemicals, we will use only two chemicals, that is candle wax or water. Now start the procedure. The first step of this procedure is to take a small test tube and fill 3/4 of the test tube with crushed wax, candle wax or paraffin wax. Now tie this test tube to the thermometer so that the bulb of the thermometer will remain near the bottom of the test tube with the help of a rubber band at the top of the test tube. Then fill the beaker with water. Place this beaker on the wire gauze placed over the sprit lamp and insert a stirrer in it. Now clamp the thermometer carrying the test tube on the iron stand. Adjust the clamp in this manner that the bulb of the thermometer should be well dipped under the water and it will not touch the walls or bottom of the beaker. Now start heating the beaker slowly with constant but gentle stirring so that the temperature of the water remains same throughout the beaker. Note down the temperature when 3/4 of the wax melted. This is your initial temperature. Now remove the sprit lamp. Stop heating the beaker and note down the temperature of the candle wax when it starts freezing. This is your final temperature, that is T2. Observations. You will find average of both the temperatures. Initial temperature T1, the temperature at which wax starts melting is 40 degrees centigrade. Final temperature T2, the temperature at which the melt starts freezing is 60 degrees centigrade. Now find the average, that is T1 plus T2 divided by 2. 40 plus 60 divided by 2 will give you 50 degrees centigrade. The result of your experiment is the melting point of given candle wax is 50 degrees centigrade. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel, All Solution One channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. This is Sumaira Latif signing off. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take good care of yourself and remember us in your prayers.